you looking at me like that, you creep? Welcome to another day here at Graphics Lab. It's your boy Mark. Nice to meet all of you guys. As you already know, the title of the video, we're going to clean this up, manual clean. And before we do any of that, let's read the quote of the day, all right? So this quote of the day, it says, "Creativity is intelligence having fun," Albert Einstein. So I kind of like this because creativity is intelligence having fun. You know what I mean? Every time you're being creative in any way, you know, your freaking brain is having a party. So after we create these things by being creative, you know, you get these fulfillments and saying like, damn, did I just make that? Like, that's crazy. But yeah, that's the quote of the day. I don't know if anything I said made sense, but I did buy a new mic set. I bought it off Amazon. Now I have two mics for me and Crystal. My last mic, I don't know where the hell it went. It went missing. At least this has a case. But yeah, let's get right into it. I'm still in the boot. I can't walk still. And I upgraded my scooter. I got disc brakes in the back for powerful stoppage if I go off-roading or downhill.
Wow.
You know, extreme sports. Some X Games shit. Anyways, let's get right into it. All you need is con swabs. If you don't got con swabs, they sell them on Amazon for cheap. And then solution, Roland original OEM solution, and just this paper plate, just so you could put your used swabs in here. Don't use styrofoam or plastic because the solution will melt right through it. Okay, so let's get started. Cleaning. Cleaning, manual cleaning. Execute. So now you're gonna see your print head and everything go all the way to the left. This is what you gotta do. Just open this up. I got some trash here. I don't know why or how. And then you're gonna open this up. First thing you're gonna want to do. Yo, is my camera blurry? Hold on, let me clean my camera. Okay, I cleaned my camera. So first thing you want to do is clean the cap tops. So just take con swabs, dip it in, or sometimes we call it sao sao. Right, dip it in. Make sure don't use too much. Whoop. And then as you can see, I have some overspray of orange. I don't know why, but this has been happening. First you want to do is just clean the sides of the cap top. You know, make sure don't have the cotton swab touch the middle of the cap top, which is the foam, you know, right in the middle right there. But yeah, just clean the sides of the cap top. You could also clean this up right here, right? Let's give it a little bath. So this is done. Let's do it to all of the colors. Okay, now let's go with the blue. Orange again right there. You see that? I'm clean it just one more time. All of these look good. But that orange for some reason is like gunk right there, so dip, you dip, you dip. Okay, let's try to zoom in. There it is. Okay. Looks good. What I also do, take a new cotton swab. We're just gonna drop a couple of solution to the middle, just like that. So what that does is just gonna clear up any gunk that's still on top or any dried up ink. So then it'll go down to the waste tank. Okay. So now let's move on to this. The heads. You guys can see the heads is down there. 1, 2, 3, 4. All I do is dip it in again. You're just gonna dab the first half, dab the second half of the head, and then swipe forward. Like, I'm barely putting pressure at all. Okay. Dab, swipe. On to the next one. Solution. Dab, dab, flip around, swipe, swipe, swipe. Okay. On to the next one. You guys get the point? Yeah, that is it. You can just clean up the edges if there's any ink, just like that. Yeah. And that is it. You see how there's ink right there? Let me try to just take it off the side a little bit. Where's it at? Yeah, just in the corner. Just wipe that off. Wipe that off. There you go. Okay, let's put that right there. Close it up. Close this up. Finish. So now what it's going to do, it's going to come back. And then it's going to do, I think, a manual, not manual, but a normal cleaning. Yep, there it is, normal cleaning. You've seen those inks on top of the head earlier. That should be fine because the manual cleaning process is going to clean it up anyways. Yeah, guys, so that's how you clean the printer. I know some of you guys would be scared to dab and swipe. I totally get it. It's totally fine. But this cotton swab or whatever type of swab this is, you know, once you put solution in this bad boy, it's going to be pretty soft, you know. And the print heads, like, they love it when you give it a bath. You know, because eventually, if you don't clean your printer, it can lead to clogs, streaks, and like your colors are going to be all messed up. You might need to buy new heads, which is like pretty expensive, and you don't want to get to that point. So take care of your printer, you know, and that's how you clean a Roland printer like mine. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate all of the 68 previous subscribers in the last 28 days, baby. For real, I appreciate everybody. All of you guys are from different parts of the world, states, whatever it might be. Some of you guys reached out to me. I'm glad that I could help in some way, form, you know. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it. Okay, so now that everybody who just wanted to watch this video of me cleaning this is gone, I want to talk about some. I really want to get the Graphtec FC9000, and so far I saved up 2,000 I only got 2 grand right now. In total, if I get the 64-inch, it's going to be 7,300, 7,300, right? So for me to speed up the process, I have this idea. I have a lot of shit laying around in the house. I don't know if you guys want, but maybe I should do a little segment of me trying to sell anything that I could sell in here that I don't use or need anymore to get this cutter. I don't know. Should I do it? Should I not show you and I'll just do it anyways? Like, no matter what, I'm still gonna do it because I have a lot of stuff laying around here that I don't use or need anymore. Like, my garage is full of things. I have a room upstairs that's just storage for random crap, you know. So let me know. Buy and sell videos to get a Graphtec FC9000 or a Suma. We'll see. I don't know. Suma's is like 13 grand though. I think Graphtec is the way to go.